So I had been given this wonderful opportunity to come down here to draft, and one of the things that came up when I was down here was that they had developed this new slogan, "I am the Stuarts Draft Difference." And so in passing I said, wouldn't it be fun if we hosted a contest, and the winner of that contest, I could take them out and meet a customer who uses the product that they actually make here at Stuarts Draft. It could be an art piece, it could be a song, it could be baking that highlighted it somehow. It really didn't matter what it was. It was taking the opportunity to show how you as the individual were making a difference in the lives of those we serve.
At first I didn't think I was going to do it, and then the more I thought about it, the idea popped in my head and I was like, yes, I got to do this.
So Margaret actually was the winner of the contest. She was voted on by her peers as the top submission. And what I loved about Margaret's submission to the contest was it was a piece that provided self-reflection. She actually had a mirror that she had put together that said, sort of like when you look in the mirror and you see that Time Life Person of the Year, it had that phrase, "I am the Stuarts Draft Difference," posted on this mirror. And included with that was some art and a photo of her mother who had had an ostomy, as well as a photo of her son, who through a tragic incident unfortunately had to have anchor fast put in place for a period of time. And fortunately her son made a full recovery.
So when you have somebody in your family that actually uses your product, you want the product to be the best that you can be. My thought was, when you're looking in the mirror, who makes a difference at Hollister? You make a difference at Hollister.
And so we decided that we'd go down to Miami, sunny Miami, in February. And so we connected with the local sales rep and the regional manager, and they helped us pull together a group of clinicians who actually work at the University of Miami Hospital. And so we got together with them. They were a strong supporter of the Sarah Plus portfolio. And so it worked out so amazingly that Margaret actually worked on that BIM machine and helped to produce the soft convex portfolio. And so we connected and had her come down and meet with a group of clinicians.
The Miami trip was awesome. And I met 7 of the most wonderful nurses from the University of Miami. They were just like old friends. Seeing people out there living their best life because of our products really makes you happy. And it should make you happy, and it should make you excited that they're living their best lives.